Hello, just woke up. First thing I'm gonna check out, SISTAR19 is back. My boy. Girl, now it's no more my boy. You know, they on that independent-ish, which I do love. I love it when groups do on that independent-ish, like they know what they want. Like, you don't need a man, real talk. Me feel like a bad bitch. And I really hope this makes me feel like a bad bitch, if you know what I'm talking about. I'm drink my water, stay thirsty. Kyolin, Bora, both beautiful, beautiful people. Iconic. I can't even drink yet. Legendary. Actually, today I'm gonna be live on Twitch. Come through, say hi to your boy. Be sure to follow my Twitch, link in the description. Be sure to follow the Discord. The Discord's where it's at. K-pop, anime, K-drama. The T's there. If you want all that, link in the description. Join the Discord. It's a nice little community that we built, and yeah. Alright, without further ado, SISTAR19. No more boy. I mean, no more boy, no more my boy. They said we moving on. There's no captions? No captions. All good. I'm just gonna be engulfed in the vibes. I don't know what I'm saying. Let's just start this. Oh yeah, it's a cowboy setting.
No, 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 nobody's perfect. No, no, no.
We need to start that again. I looked away. I will not look away ever again.
No, 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 nobody's perfect.
Imagine just opening the doors and just seeing that. I'd be so hypnotized. Miss. Okay, get that alcohol. Yes. Miss Cowgirl. Oh my god, this is so nostalgic too. Drop it low. On that table. On the floor. Ooh, them stabbed hearts. He said we done. We done with my boy. We moving on. I feel like SISTAR19 is one of the top 10 or top 5 best subunits. Nobody is perfect. God damn, Buddha. Damn. Okay. I need to be included in this. Green screen maybe? I don't know. Your boys have been doing green screens like as of lately, but there's some moments you have to. Imagine. Let's go, Miss Ma'am. God damn. Ooh, girl. You better. It's a lot. Ooh. I like how it breaks down. Now, is this gonna be better than my boy, the iconic my boy? I don't know. But if it brings them back, oh, he's spilling drinks. Take shots. What is that? That's some creepy shit. You know, there was some creepy shit, but then Hyolyn just saved the day. Saved me my sleep paralysis. My sleep paralysis demon. If Hyolyn was my sleep paralysis demon or Bora, eyes open, eyes awake. They could dance all day. Oh, it's almost done already? Perfect. No. Whoa. It feels a bit nostalgic too. Nobody's perfect. No. Ooh. Ooh, the fierceness. You know, I'm just looking at like their clothes, like Hyolyn's top. What is that? Cause you know, damn well if this thing, the under is there. She got papers in there too? What's she holding? Oh god damn, she is a baddie. We already been knew that. So is Bora. Oh, it's almost cracking. I want more. I'm greedy right now. Listen, I've been waiting for this subunit. Let me just get myself. I've been waiting for this subunit. I want more. I want more. I just maybe more. Can we have more? Can we have a lot? I don't know. It's up to them. It's up to y'all. Go check out the music video. Link in the description down below. I want to keep SISTAR19 alive. Interesting they went with a cow, like country boy, I love you type of thing. But nobody is perfect. I love that. I love that saying. No, no. Wait. I feel like was that like a reference to SISTAR19's My Boy? Like this positioning? Oh my god, first of all, this is like a poster. If I could have a poster of this. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's how I walk to my bathroom when I'm trying to do my skincare, my morning skincare. Yes. Ooh, okay. Oh, it was already a glass that was cracked. Is that supposed to like represent life? I want a performance video. I need a performance video. Oh girl, she dropped it low and I'm like, yes. Who dropped it? Yolan had to drop it low. Yeah. My god, it's so beautiful. Hey yo. Ooh, 13. Damn, stabbing the heart. Perfect, no, no. I love that dance. It's simple though. No, 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 nobody's perfect. No, 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 nobody's perfect. No, no. Like, God. I just have to. It's already a catchy dance. And they're like their outfits is iconic. The outfits are iconic. Let's go, Bora. Very funky beat. Love the bass in this too. Bruh, I can't get over their outfits. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, bruh. Like, I was able to meet Yolan way back when. I think it was at Santa Monica Pier. She is beautiful. Voice, angel. Dancing, 10 out of 10. Though we didn't have like the biggest conversation, I was hella intimidated. Just letting you know. I think back then I was trying to like riz her. I'm like, hey, what's up? You know, give you the eye smile. There's a video of it out there actually. You guys should check it out. I wanna be yours. Drop top riding down this road. Can you body roll? Woo! Hey! That's pretty iconic too. Is that as iconic as My Boy? I don't know. Put in the comments down below what you guys think of No More My Boy. I feel like No More My Boy is just like, yes, they're back together. It's like, you know what it is? It's like Sistar was that summer. You know, the summer anthems, and I miss that. There's something missing with the summer. Yes, there's been bops over the years, and and kind of like some holes have been filled, like in my empty Sistar heart. But without Sistar, it feels different. And we're getting SISTAR19 back. Hopefully this is like a little, I feel like a lot of people are coming back. Who knows? You never know. You never know. I'm not saying anything, I'm not promising anything, but you never know. Whew. Anyways, put a comment down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. This is your boy JRE from Jrekml. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. Your boy, yes, your boy still doing it. I was at K Playfest in Pomona in California. And so many of y'all recognize me, which I'm like, oh my god. Well, most of y'all said like, oh, I used to watch you, or I'm like, oh, I grew up watching you, which I realized I guess I was a part of a lot of people's lives back then. I mean now too, but you know, like, because I've been doing it for so long, I'm like, this is like, girl, I've been doing this. You know why I keep on doing this? Because I still love it. As long as you love it, you keep on doing it and never stop. Anyways, follow me on Twitch. Help me out. Subscribe to my Twitch. Maybe pay some bills, you know what I'm saying? Your boy Adultin. Either way, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.